This is the installation video for the Levelok Quick Connect ladder leveling system on a Type 1A 300-pound duty-rated Werner D6200 series ladder. First, measure 5 7/16 from the bottom of the rail. Make a line across. Please note that this mark is very important. It represents the lowest mounting bolt hole and is the official reference point for the remaining 2 holes that will be drilled into the ladder rails for proper mounting. Then mark your center line at 1 5/8 of an inch. Make 2 marks. Draw your line. There is a left side and a right side to the Levelok base unit. The left side has an L on it and the right side has an R on it. The right side base unit should be installed on the rail that is located on a person's right side when standing in front of the ladder just before climbing. Use the GLIDESAFE Quick Connect base unit as a template to mark the rail. There are 4 holes on the base unit. The second hole closest to the shoe is aligned with the first mark. The hole closest to the shoe is not used. Drill an initial 1/8 of an inch pilot hole and then enlarge that with an 11/32 bit. Glue 2 spacer plates to the GLIDESAFE Quick Connect base unit at each hole. Place 2 small drops of the provided metal adhesive on the aluminum spacer plates. Make sure that the glue sets. Attach the GLIDESAFE Quick Connect with round washers, bolts, and nuts. Use 3 of the included 1 1/4 inch length mounting bolts for each base unit. Use the Allen wrench and a socket to securely fasten the base unit to the rail. After the base unit is installed, with all fasteners, washers, and nuts attached properly, it is important to test the assembly. To do so, line up the 3 mounting knobs on the rear of the leveler. Insert into the 3 keyholes and slide the leveler upward to snap lock into position. Then insert the detent pin that is attached to the lanyard. Next, test the leveler function by snapping the lower curved foot pedal down into the ready position. Extend the inner leg 5 or 6 inches and then retract the inner leg by activating the release lever near the top. Please note that all of Levelok ladder levelers have an automatic backup safety lock, so if there is any pressure on the leveler shoe, the release lever will be restricted in its movement. This safety feature is designed for your safety, and it is important that the leveler shoe remains somewhat loose on the shoe bolt, just as it is when you first receive the product. Install the second GLIDESAFE base unit on the opposite rail by following the same directions. After you've finished installing both GLIDESAFE base units, the Levelok Quick Connect ladder leveling system is ready to be used.